What's good, everybody? Today we have a few more grant opportunities that are out there for you guys. Want to let you know about them before the deadlines are running out. But I wanted to let you know, guys, if you are looking for grants, funding for your businesses, there are various different grants out there. Grants are free money, so you don't have to pay them back. If it applies to people that are in different situations in order to get these grants. It might be for certain people groups. It could be for people who live in certain states, or it could be based off of your current industry that you're in. There are all types of different grants out there for different reasons. And of course, it's always best to apply and put your hat in the ring to make sure that you can have an opportunity to get some money for free, because getting funding right now from a lot of lenders and banks that are out there can be a little bit challenging. So any free money, of course, will be good at any time. Now, if you guys are looking for people to actually help you and walk with you hand in hand and trying to get some of this funding, a lot of you guys reach out to me and ask me if I help with that. I just want to let you know that I don't actually help with that, but I do show you where you can go and get the money. And if you do want some hands-on help, I'm going to have to recommend that you guys go to a company named Skip. Their whole business model deals with helping businesses, whether they're in the beginning stages or whether they're a little more seasoned, helping businesses to grow by giving you skills and teaching you skills to help you with marketing and running your business, but also securing grants, learning about different grant opportunities, and helping you through the process and the red tape of getting funding options for your business, whether it be SBA loans, lines of credit, different types of loans that might be out there for your business. So if you need actual hands-on help, go check out Skip. I'll put a link to them down in the description so that you can see what they can do for you. They also give out grants themselves on a monthly basis, so it's definitely worth checking out. And if you want to ever see the grant opportunities that they have, as well as seek out their help, make sure you go to their website, hit sign up right here. You'll create an account for free and you'll be able to track all grant opportunities and apply for some opportunities that they have within the system. So that's for you guys that need help. If you don't need help and you just want to know where the money is so you can go ahead and get it, I'm going to show you guys that right now. So the first grant opportunity that we have for today is going to be from Papaya. It's called the Papaya grant. It's from one female founder to another. So of course, this is for female entrepreneurs. How much is it? $10,000. So that's something to look forward to. This is international. Well, that was International Women's Day when this was announced. And again, they're going to be giving out $10,000. And this is for those of you that are not only dreaming of launching a business, but also those of you that are trying to expand your business. So if you haven't gotten to that point where you really have everything established in your business, you can still apply for this. As you can see, it's a very simple application. All you have to do is answer a few questions here and you can submit your application, put your hat in the ring to actually get this funding. Now, this one, as far as deadlines go, the deadline is March 31st, so you have until the end of the month. So make sure that you are applying for this as soon as possible, you guys. Jump on top of this while you can. Now, the next grant opportunity that we're going to talk about is from Wish Local. Now, I can tell you that this one I did not see where they actually had a deadline on when you can actually apply for this, but I did see that it was something that would be good to do because you can receive amounts between $500 to $2,000. They have a fund of about $2 million that they're giving away to 4,000 Wish Local small business partners. So you do have to sign up to be a part of Wish Local. This is not something that you have to pay for, so it's free, which is always good. You can use the money in whatever way you see best, but of course you want to use it as best you can to grow your business, get your business established off the ground. If you not established, but to get your business to grow and maybe get your name out there and establish your business more. So who is eligible? You have to be a Black-owned business for this one. You have to be 18 years of age, 18 years or older. Your store has to have 20 or fewer employees. Your store is brick and mortar, so it has to be a brick and mortar location in the United States, and your store has to earn an average annual revenue of under $1 million. So you have to make less than $1 million, which isn't hard for a lot of businesses to do, but of course you're striving to get there, aren't you? But basically, you just have to earn less than that. So I don't see where you have to have at least $1 coming in, but you have to make under that amount. So keep that in mind. And of course, you do have to become a member of Wish, as I mentioned, in order to join. You can see here, this is the application. Again, very simple, not long at all, so not hard to apply for. Now, of course, I want you guys to let me know what industries you're in so that I know what grant opportunities I need to be looking out for you guys. So down in the comments, let me know what type of industry you're in your business. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can get notified of new videos like this, and like the video as well. That's the least you could do for me for giving you this free information, right? So you're gonna go ahead and want to check out this last opportunity that we have here. It's a $5,000 grant for your business. Now, this is from Corporate Council Women of Color, and to qualify for that $5,000 grant that they have, the business must operate in the United States. The business must be established as of January 2020 with an EIN number, so you do have to have your business registered and with the IRS to get your EIN. The business must be legal for-profit business, so not non-profits. The business has to have generated over $25,000 in revenue since January 2020. So since January 2020, you have to at least have made $25,000. Now that's 3 years. So basically, I'm sure some of you guys have made some type of money in your businesses already, and over that span of 3 years, if you've made at least $25,000, then you qualify for that. So don't be scared by that number if you think you're not making enough, because that's over the span of a few years. The applicant must be at least 18 years of age at the time of submitting the application, and they will have a review committee to look at the information, and grants will be awarded to winners. It says on January 2023, so that round already passed, but there's another round coming in September. Now with this one, I don't see a deadline either. So basically, you just need to get this application in as soon as you can to make sure you can qualify for that September round. Of course, the earlier the better. And that is going to be your grant opportunities today. Again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so YouTube can show this information to more people that need it. And like and subscribe to the channel so you can get notified of any new videos I let out just like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.